we're going to debug this chunk of code here with some print statements, which is probably the easiest and one of the more effective ways of debugging. I do this all the time. So let's switch on over to our interpreter and script. You'll see I already have copied the script over, changed my interpreter to the proper working directory, and added some lists and a call to the sorting function here. So let's just start by running our script. Okay, so there's problem number one. Didn't even need a print statement for that one. But let's try again. I saved it. Okay. We seem to be stuck in like an infinite loop or something. So I'm going to cancel this. And I'm going to throw in a print statement. So let's just make sure it is an infinite loop. Let's add a print statement here. There. And now if I hit run and I don't see that, then we've got a problem. Okay, we don't see it. Problem. So let's move this guy up to here, make sure we are getting inside the function. Okay, so we did see that one. Let's move it here. Okay, so that's working. Let's move it here, see what happens. Oh, okay, so we found the problem. There's something wrong with this loop here. Now, just a warning about print statements. So I find when I'm getting frustrated, the words in my print statements can get a little colorful. And sometimes when I'm lazy, I'll just comment out print statements instead of deleting them. I got in trouble a number of years ago by my TA because I had a particularly mean print statement in there. Something along the lines of, why won't this thing work? You know? So just be careful. Anyways, let's get rid of that. So, okay, so let's start by switching our print statements from just a word to some of the values. So we've got I, element. Probably don't need to print out in list. That's probably fine because it's right there. And let's print out the sorted list as well. And let's hit run. Okay, all right, okay. So first thing I notice is the first thing we're printing out, I, is stuck at 0. I have a feeling that could be the source of our infinite loop here. And you know what? I think I found the problem right here. We're only adding 0 to it, so it's not going to go anywhere. 0 plus 0 is 0, so we should change that to 1. Save, let's rerun it. Okay, good. We seem to solve the problem with our infinite loop. So I'm just going to get rid of this here, and let's run it again. Okay, so we're printing out element just fine, and our sorted list is kind of working, except, I don't know, it looks to me that our list is sorted in reverse, which is kind of funny. I don't really know what's going on there. Let's just move this outside the while loop just to see what happens. Maybe it'll be helpful, maybe it won't, I have no idea. Okay. All right, so we start with an empty list. We added 9 to it, then we added 2. Yeah, we're like sorting the list in reverse order. So why would we be putting things bigger in the smaller location? You know what? Yeah, look at that. I have a feeling we should change it to that. I'm going to rerun it. Let's see what happens. Yep. There, I think we fixed it. I think the problem was we had a less than instead of a greater than. So I think that fixed it. It seems to be working now. And all just because we had some print statements. So let's go to the print statement and we're good to go.